Saying goodbye is one of the most difficult things in the world, which no school taught us. My dear students, never stop working hard, never stop dreaming, because nothing is permanent in the world. Everything is temporary, and never stop working if you fail, because failure doesn't mean everything is over, and failure doesn't mean you will fail again. Try, and try again. Fail, and fail again. And rise like a phoenix bird. No matter what you do in life, and you can never please everyone all the time. Some people are always ready to criticize you. Some people are always ready to discourage you. Whatever you do in life, you can never please everyone all the time. And no matter whether you wear a Rolex or Titan, your time remains the same. No matter whether you drive a Maruti or BMW, the road remains the same. No matter whether you fly economy or business class, your destination never changes. No matter whether you use a Samsung or an Apple, the people who call you are the same. So there is nothing wrong about dreaming for a luxurious life. Be the best version of yourself and be greedy for your ambitions. Be hungry for it. Every morning when you start a new day, you have a new opportunity. You have a new chance to change your career, to change your current situation. If you want something that you never had before in your life, you have to do something that you have never done before in your life. No one can beat you. No one can stop you from your goal. You are the best version of yourself. You are the king of your own kingdom. And you have come to the world to be successful. The Almighty Allah has only sent you to be successful. You aren't born to the earth to be a loser. You are here to be successful. The Almighty Allah is with you. You don't need anyone. The Almighty Allah is always with you. How difficult the situation is, no matter. The Almighty Allah is always with you. And keep praying until your prayers are answered. Today or tomorrow, your all prayers will be answered. But never lose hope. And I always appreciate two rules in life. Never lose your hope. Rule number 1. And rule number 2, don't forget the rule number 1. If you can work harder, and if you have a big dream, and I will keep working hard until my dreams come true. I will keep working hard until my dreams turn into reality, because my parents, my friends, my enemies have been waiting to see my success. My haters are waiting to see whether I will be successful or unsuccessful. And your best answer will be your success. You don't need to take the revenge from your enemy. If you are a successful man, everybody will come to know that what you wear and who you are. You know very well. You know about you better than anyone in the world. What you can do, what you have, and what you are going to achieve. And no matter whatever you do in life, some people must criticize you. If you are a fat man, if you are fat, some people will say that you eat too much, that's why you are fat. If you are slim, some people will try to say that you have been sick, that's why you are slim. If you are a successful man, some people will be ready to say that you have achieved your success in a dishonest way. If you are unsuccessful, you will get no one, you will get nothing at the end of the day. If you are unsuccessful, people will say that you have been unsuccessful because you are not brilliant, you are not intelligent. If you are an honest man, some people will try to say that you are a coward, that's why you have chosen the path of honesty. If you are a dishonest man, people will say that you are untrustworthy, nobody is going to trust you. Believe in yourself, my dear, believe in yourself. No man can stop you from your dream, from your track. Stay focused, keep focused like an eagle. Be the king in your own kingdom. An eagle is the king of bird's kingdom, and you are the king of your own kingdom. And undoubtedly, you have to understand your value. Keep quiet, keep silent in 3 situations. Keep silent when you are angry. Keep silent when people do not value your words. Keep silent when you listen to others. Follow some strategies, follow some rules, and follow a goal. Unless you have a goal, you will never be able to reach your destination. If you have a goal, your goal will always push you. Your goal will always inspire you to reach your destination. Sacrifice, sacrifice, and sacrifice. Keep sacrificing until you get the best thing in your life. If you don't know how to sacrifice, you will be a loser. At any cost, you have to break through your comfort zone. Your comfort zone is your biggest enemy. If you live in your comfort zone, if you can't break through your comfort zone is going to kill your life. It's going to spoil your dream. Break through your comfort zone. Never invest your time in a wrong person, because a wrong person will break you into pieces. A wrong person will torn you apart in such a way it will take years and years to get back together. And as a teacher of Rahat English here, I always feel proud of my institute. So wherever you go, never waste your time. And I am the person who always prioritizes the value of time. And time is the most priceless thing in the world. Time is more valuable than any other thing in the world. Nothing is free in the world. Everything has a price. Wherever you go, whatever you want to buy, whatever you want to do, you have to spend some money to do that thing, to get that thing. If you want to go outside in order to drink a glass of water, you have to pay some money. Nobody will give you anything for free. Success never comes overnight. Success takes time. If you want to be successful, you have to spend a lot of time behind your success. If you can't invest your time, if you can't invest yourself for your success, you will never be able to succeed. Everything has a price, and the price of success is hard work. The price of success is hard work. I repeat. And I won't say work hard, but I must say work harder. Work hard like a machine, speak like a philosopher, and train like an athlete. Work harder than anyone else in the world. Compete. Life is a game of competition. Nobody will give you the space. Nobody will give you the floor. If you aren't qualified, if you don't have a better position, nobody is going to love you. Nobody is going to respect you. So, be the best version of yourself. Be fearless. Be hungry for your ambitions. Be greedy for your dream. And once you become fearless, if you can become fearless in your life will be limitless. You don't have any limitation. Do whatever you like. And if you can love what you are doing, you must be successful. Whatever you do, love it, love it, love it. If you can't love it, you can't get a positive feedback. You won't get a positive feedback. In order to get a positive feedback, you have to love it. You have to love a lot. That's why I used to say in your classes, love English, live English, learn English. If you can love something, what you are doing, you will be able to achieve something best in your life. Nobody can compete with you. Nobody can stop you. Every morning when you wake up, just look at the mirror. And the person who you see in the mirror, he is your competitor. Compete. Life is a game of competition. Be a boss or a loser. If you think that I will be both successful and unsuccessful, it isn't going to happen in your life, my dears. You have to choose anything. Either you have to sacrifice everything for your success, or you have to enjoy everything to become unsuccessful. Many people will try to discourage you. Many people will cut jokes with you. But don't focus what other people are saying about you. Because if you are unsuccessful, one day they will insult you. So why will you stop yourselves from becoming successful? They are ready to insult you. They are ready to pull your legs. So don't care about other people. Just stay focused, keep focused. Nelson Mandela, who has said, education is the most powerful weapon in the world, which you can use to change the world. Make yourself qualitative, be fearless, and be the best version of yourself. Thank you very much. Last of all, I would like to say, go ahead, never look back, never waste your single moment thinking about your past. Always spend every single moment for the future, because yesterday is gone. It will never come back in your life, and tomorrow is uncertain. You never know what is going to happen tomorrow. Only present Only today is exist. So if you want to achieve something best in your life, you have to utilize today. Do something now or never. Either you have to do now or never. Thank you very much, and I will be waiting for your success. I will be waiting to see your betterment. I will be waiting to see your ultimate result in your life. Thank you very much.